Hey everybody, it's Jill at Keller Williams Cityside. I've got a quick little video about landing pages for you. So when you have a listing and you want to publicize, you can create a single website, one page website for every single listing you do. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you, and you can see I'm logged into Command. And we're going to go down here to the applet on the very bottom, the consumer applet. And in here, it's going to allow us to build agent sites, websites, landing pages. Landing page is a single page that has a custom URL, and that's what we're going to create today. And it's super quick and easy. So I'm going to hit landing page, and you can see these are all the landing pages I've created when I created them. And these are the ones that are green are the ones that are currently active right now. And you can see this is the URL that goes to it. So I'm going to hit create a new page, and we are doing landing pages, which means it's a single page. I'm going to hit create. And I am going to use one of our agents listings. So I'm going to name it the address, Randall Farm. I'm going to go ahead and delete this generic name that was in here. So I'm going to go ahead and hit enter to save that. And then this is as simple as selecting widgets, you guys. So over here, you can see we've got a selection of widgets, and we're going to decide what we want this page to look like. Remember, this is a website with just one page. It doesn't go anywhere else but that single page. So let's start with our branded header. We're going to have my information and our Keller Williams logo. We are then going to go ahead and do a listing next because we want to highlight my listing. And then I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of this page so that I can put in another widget right here. So I'm going to do the lead form, and I'm going to drop that down here at the bottom. So once I scroll to the bottom, we should be able to see that lead form. So there it is. When somebody fills in information here, it automatically goes into your command as a lead, and boom, you don't even have to enter their information into lead. Okay, so I've got my three things that I want on this page. I want my information. I want information about my listing, and I want information about how they can get a hold of me and how they can send their information to me. Super simple. Next, we have to configure the widgets. Okay, so my branded header's already configured, my lead form's already configured, but I need to do the listing. And this is where I'm going to select the listing. And this pulls from KWLS, you guys. So browsing listings, and I need to make sure that it is searching all. Sometimes with this, it'll say my properties, but the all one works so much better. So the property address is 4027 Randall Farm, and it's in Atlanta. Let's see if it'll search it that way. And remember, this is pulling everywhere in the United States, and it is also pulling from Georgia MLS and FMLS. So as you can see, it's here twice. So I am going to just go ahead and select this one. You can see the listing agent is Brandon Nunley from our office. And once I've selected that, it is going to auto-populate and pull in the pictures from this listing. I can select which one I want. I'm going to go ahead and just use the front page picture. And then I'm going to scroll down because remember, we're configuring this widget. And I'm going to go ahead and hit save and apply. This is going to apply all of the information pulled from KWLS into this. So there you can see the absolutely gorgeous house. I could have selected, if I want to change it, it is easy as, maybe I want to select the kitchen. I can hit save and apply. And it just takes a second for it to update. And boom, there's the kitchen. I think I like this one of the front of the house better. And it's pulled in every single one of the listing pictures. Oh, that's pretty. Let's go with the front of the house instead of the back of the house. Okay, So we've saved and applied and all of our widgets are configured. And you can see here's my widget 1. And actually I can change the heading on this page. So let's go ahead and say for sale for, or wait, let's name it amazing home for sale. You can name it whatever you want. And then this is all of your other stuff that you've got in here, right? I'm going to hit save and apply. And look, there it is, amazing home for sale. Then like you said, or like I said, here's the listing. And then the third widget is our lead form. Maybe we want to change this and we want to customize it. Love this home. Let me know. Maybe we want to put a question mark there. And then once we hit save and apply, so this is all very customizable, you guys, and it is super easy. So boom, it's done. I'm going to hit publish page. Are you sure you want to update an active page? Yes, I do. And remember, this is a piece of my marketing that I'm doing for my clients. And so I want to customize it completely. So back to the landing page, you can see here's the address. Here's the current URL. I can customize that. So I'm going to go ahead and hit change URL. And the beginning half of this can not be changed because that identifies me and my command. So I'm going to name this the street address 4027 Randall. Oh, no spaces. Haha. Randall Farm. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit create. So now you can see our custom URL is randallfarm.com. So let me go ahead and copy this link. Copy. And I'm going to open up a new plain Google sheet and I'm going to paste in this link. There it is. I'm going to hit enter. And voila, there is a beautiful single page custom website for my client with all of the beautiful details about their property and everything that's available and all of their pictures. How amazing is that? And then if this client sees this, they can send me their information and it's going to go straight into command. Every single one of our agents should be doing this for every single listing that they have. This website can then be put on Facebook. It can be put in emails. It can be put in text. It can be put anywhere you want. You could put it on your flyers. You name it. You could also use this by pulling it up on your cell phone at the open house and having the person that just walked in fill in the lead form so that way you get their information in command. This is an amazing tool and it is super easy to do. So you all should be doing it. All right. Thanks for watching my video and I will be back with more quick tips.